Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss on important videos about forex trading. So today we are looking at the top 5 forex trading tools or apps that you need to know and have before you start forex trading. So without these apps or tools you can't start forex trading. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Point number 1 is having the right knowledge. So you really have to understand more about forex trading. You really have to know when you're supposed to buy and when you're supposed to sell. So without this knowledge, you can't trade forex. So it is very important for you to have the right knowledge. You may have the knowledge, but if it is not the right knowledge about forex trading, you won't be profitable in this industry. Number 2, trading platforms. We have the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So these are basically the same, just that MetaTrader 5 is an updated version of MetaTrader 4. So if you have these applications, this is where we do the actual trading. So you can log on to your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. You just need one of the two apps because both of them do the same work. The other platform is TradingView. So this is where we do our analysis of a given currency pair. So TradingView has features that will help you to analyze a given currency pair. So after analyzing from TradingView, you'll then go back to your trading platform, that is the MT4 or MT5, to take the trade. Number 3 is Forex Factory. So this is where we check news about a particular currency. For example, if there is news dropping that will be affecting the US dollar, it will show us at what time the news is coming out, and it will tell us the impact, whether it is going to be of low impact, medium impact, or high impact. Assuming there is news that is affecting the dollar of high impact, so that means you are not supposed to trade that currency pair because you don't know what will be the output of the news. So the best thing to do is that you don't trade that currency pair having that particular currency. For example, if it was on euro, the news was on the US dollar, you leave out currencies that have the US dollar. So that is, with that you'll be profitable in the forex market. Point number 4, which is the most important, is a broker. So a broker links you to the forex market. So the broker is an intermediary between you and the forex market. With a broker, you are able to deposit, withdraw your money. So the broker which I recommend for you to use is Xness. You can find the link in my description below. So with Xness, the minimum deposit is just $10. You have to just deposit $10 and you can start forex trading. It has the option of mobile money, so those guys who want to use mobile money for withdrawing and depositing, the option is there. It has fast deposit and withdraw channels. So if you have requested for your withdraw or you want to deposit, the process is really fast. So that's the advantage of using Xness. And the other thing about Xness is that the most important thing is that it is a regulated broker. So you'll find that you can do forex trading because it is a regulated broker, and you find that your money is safe. Then the last one, we have the PC, the phone, and the internet connection. So you don't need an iPhone to start forex trading. No MacBook to start forex trading. You just need ordinary tools: a laptop which can access internet, a phone that can access internet. Even if you buy it for only 30,000, even if you buy it for only 30 US dollars, you can still trade forex using that phone as long as it can access the internet. So you need to have a good internet connection so that it does not disturb you in the process of analyzing from using the trading view and placing in your trades. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on your notification bells for more interesting videos about forex trading.